Dear students, we learnt mensuration part 1 and part 2. Now we are learning part 3 mensuration 10.2 exercise in 10th class. So a toy is in the form of a cone mounted on a heavy scale. The diameter of the base and the height of the cone are 6 cm and 4 cm respectively. Determine the surface area of the toy. This is a toy. So, as like as toy. Total surface area of the toy. Now, this is the part 1. This is the part 1. We will find lateral surface area of the cone and lateral surface area of the hemisphere. Total surface area of the toy, part 1 and part 2. Same. This is the part 1 cone. Part 2 hemisphere. We will find part 1 cone lateral surface area and you will find lateral surface area of the hemisphere. First part 1. Cone. Height of the cone, height 4 cm, diameter 6 cm, height 4 cm, height 4 cm, diameter 6 cm, diameter 6 cm, height 4 cm, D6. So radius D by 2, 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So height of the given cone is equal to 4 cm. Diameter of the cone D is equal to 6 cm. Radius of the cone R is equal to D by 2, 6 by 2 is equal to 3 centimeters. Now we will find out cone lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cone pi RL. Pi RL. So pi 3.14 or 22 by 7, 3.14 into R 3 centimeters. So we will find out L also. L is equal to root of h square plus r square. Root of height 4 square plus r square 3 square. Root 16 plus 9. Root of 25 is equal to 5. L is equal to 5. 3.14 into 3 into L is equal to 5. 3.14 into 3 5 is 15. This is the part 1. Part 1 3.14 into 15 centimeters square. Next you will find out part 2. hemisphere. So radius of the hemisphere, same radius, both same radius. Hemisphere is equal to 3 centimeter. Lateral surface area of hemisphere two pi r square. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. To 3.14 r means 3 into 3 r square. 3.14 into 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. This is the part 2 answer, centimeters. So we want total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is equal to part 1 plus part 2. Part 1 is equal to 3.14 into 15 plus part 2 3.14 into 18. We will common 3.14. Both are have 3.14. So 3.14 common cheyandi. 15 plus 18. So 3.14 into 33. 15 plus 18, 33. So 3.14 into 33 multiply. You will multiply. 3.14 into 33. 3 4 are 12. 1. 3 1 are 3 plus 1. 4. 3 3 are 9. Same. 2 4 9. 2 6 13 10. 3 point after decimal. 103.62 centimeters square. Total surface area of the cone is 103.62 centimeters square. Now the second sum. A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at the one end, a cone at the other end. The radius of the common base is 8 cm. Radius 8 cm. And the height of the cylinder and the conical portions are 10 cm, 6 cm. Find the total surface area of the solid. This is the solid. This cylinder. One side is, one of the end is cone. The other of the end is hemisphere. There are three parts. One part is cone. One part is cylinder. The third part is hemisphere. The height of the cone is 6 cm. Height of the cone is 6 cm. Height of the cylinder 10 cm. So all radius are equal. All radius, cone radius, cylinder radius, hemisphere radius is equal 8 centimeters. So total surface area of the solid. We will find the lateral surface area of the cone, lateral surface area of the cylinder, lateral surface area of the hemisphere. Now part 1, cone. part 1 cone. Height of the cone 6 centimeters. Radius of the cone 8 centimeters. We will find L slant height. Slant height L is equal to root h square plus r square. L is equal to root h means 6, 3, 6 square plus this is 8, radius is 8 centimeter. So 6 square 36, 8 square 64 is equal to root 100 is equal to 10. L is equal to 10. Next, lateral surface area of the cone. Phi RL, lateral surface area of the cone. Phi RL, lateral surface area of the cone. Phi RL. So phi means 3.14 into R means 8, L means 10. 3.14 into 8 times the 80 centimeters square. This is the part 1. Part 1. Next part 2 is cylinder. Part 2 is cylinder. Part 1 cone. Part 2 is cylinder. So height of the cylinder. Cylinder h is equal to height of the cylinder 10, radius of the cylinder R is equal to 8, lateral surface area of cylinder 2 by RH. 2 by RH. This is the formula. So 2 by 3.14 H R means 8 into H 10. 3.14 into 8 times 80 into 2. 160 centimeters square. This is the part 2. Part 2. Next part 3. Part 3. What is part 3? Hemisphere. Radius of the hemisphere R is equal to 8 centimeters. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. So 3.14 R means 8 into 8. 8 is 64. 64 2s are 128. 3.14 into 128. total surface area of the solid, total surface area of solid is equal to part 1 plus part 2 plus part 3. Part 1, part 2 and part 3. How much part 1? Part 1 is equal to 3.14 into 80. 3.14 into 80 plus part 2 3.14 into 160. 160. Part 3 3.14 into 128. 3.14 common. 80 into 160 into 128. 3.14 into 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 368. Total, we will multiply 3.14 into 368. So, 3.14 into 368. 8 4 the 32. 3. 8 1 the 8 plus 3. 11. 1. 8 3 the 24 plus 1. 25. 6 4 the 24. 2. 6 1 the 6 plus 2. 8. 6 3 the 18. 3 4 the 12. 1. 3 1 the 3 plus 1. 4. 3 3 the 9. 2 5 15 11. 2 point after 2 digits after decimal. 1155.52. This is the answer. Centimeter square. Third sum. A medicine capsule is in the shape of cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the capsule is 14 mm and the width is 5 mm. Find its surface area. See capsule. What on the marker? So, it's cylinder. Hemisphere. Two hemisphere attached with cylinder. Part 1 hemisphere, part 2 cylinder, part 3 hemisphere. Total length 14 mm. Total length 14 mm. So width 5 mm. Width. This is the diameter. So D is equal to 5. R is equal to D by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 2.5. R is equal to 2.5. R. This R is equal to 2.5. R is equal to 2.5. So, length of the cylinder. Length of the cylinder. L is length of cylinder is total length 14. This is R. This is R. 14 minus 2R. 14 minus 2R. 14 minus 2 into 2.5. 14 minus 2, 2.5. 5 is equal to 9. So length of the cylinder 9. R is equal to 2.5. Is it understand? Length. This is the total 14. This is 2.5. This is 2.5. 5. 14 minus 2, 5, 9. This is the 9 centimeters only. So first we will find out part 1 hemisphere. Part 1 hemisphere. Radius of hemisphere. Radius of the hemisphere is equal to 2.5. D is equal to 5. So radius R is equal to 2.5. So lateral surface area of hemisphere. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere 2 pi r square. 2 pi means 22 by 7 into r 2.5 into 2.5. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 by 7 into 25 into 25, 625. 625 decimal after 2 digits. This is the answer part 1. Next part 2 cylinder. This is the part 1. Cylinder. Length of the cylinder. Height or length. H is equal to total 14. So 2.5, 2.5 subtract. So 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5. So 14 minus 2.5 plus 2.5, 5.0. So 14 minus 5, 9 centimeters. Radius R is equal to same as well as 2.5. So lateral surface area of cylinder. Lateral surface area of the cylinder 2 pi r h. 2 pi means 22 by 7. R means 2.5. H means 9. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 by 7 into 9 5s are 45. 4 9 2s are 18 plus 4 22. 22.5. Part 2. This is part 2. So part 3 same as well as part 1. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere same as well as part 1. Lateral surface area of the hemisphere is equal to same as well as part 1. Part 1 is equal to 44 by 7 into 6.25. This is the part 3. Total surface area of the medicine capsule. Capsule. is part 1 plus part 2 plus part 3 total part 1 part 2 part 3 part 1 is 44 by 7 into 6.25 plus part 2 44 by 7 into 22.5 plus part 3 44 by 7 into 6.25 44 by 7 common 6.25 plus 22.5 plus 6.25. So 44 by 7 into 44 by 7 into 44 by 7 into total 3 6.25 22.5 0 0 0 6 6 12 14 15 1 35 2 decimal after 35 7 1 ja 7 5 ja 44 into 5 5 4 ja 22 5 4 ja 20 plus 2 22 centimeter square, sorry, millimeter square. This is the 220 millimeter square. Fourth sum, two cubes each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end together. Find the total surface area of the resulting cuboid. Two cubes joined, so it make a cuboid. So you give one cube volume of cube is equal to a cube is equal to 64. Volume of the cube is equal to 64 given. So a cube is equal to 64. A cube is equal to 4 cube. So a is equal to 4. So two cube joined two cubes. So it make cuboid. రెండు క్యూబ్ కలిపితే క్యూబోయిడ్ ఏర్పడింది. సో length of cuboid is equal to length 1a and other a plus a is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Breadth of cuboid. So breadth is also a is equal to 4. Height of the cuboid that B. Height of the cuboid is 4 cm. L 8, B 4, H 4. Total surface of the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH HL. Total surface area of the cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So 2 into LB, L, B means 4 plus BH, B means 4, H means 4, B means 4, H means 4 plus HL, H means 4, L means 8. 2 into 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32. 2 into 32 plus 32 64 64 plus 16 80. So 2 8s are 160 centimeter scale. 160 centimeter scale. Foursome completes. So part 3 completes. Next we will learn part 4 remaining sums. Please subscribe Satish Master 4919. Thank you very much.